So, I am here before you with a topic called set, and here I'll explain to you the definition of the same. You know that set theory is a very important topic for the students from class 6 to 8, and in the higher classes like class 9 and class 10, it does plays a very crucial role. Hence, here I'll first tell you how set works and what does it mean, because without knowing its definition we can never proceed to the further parts. So first of all, I'll write down the definition of set and then I'll explain you the same. Right now, before I explain to you the definition of set, first of all I'll ask you something. If I ask you to do the collection of all those people in your class, or I should say that all those students in your class who are handsome, like if there are boys in your class and I ask you that collect all the handsome boys of your class. Now here, when I say this, you will find that for different people the collection will be different. Why is it so? Because for different people the boys who are handsome is also different. So suppose there is a boy A, he does the collection, and for him there are a certain number of people in that group. Similarly, we have student B, he does the collection, and for him there are different kind of students who are handsome. Now here you will find that the collection made by A and B differs, because for A, the guy who is handsome might not be handsome even for the student B, that means the guy B. Similarly, if I ask you to do the collection of all those students who are fat, now when I say this, that do the collection of those students who are fat, here also you would find that I have just said fat. Now for different people the definition of fat, or the weight above which they have to consider someone fat, is different. So for a guy A, the definition of fatness is different, so he will have certain collection, and similarly for guy B, the collection will be different, and the collection of guy A will definitely or might vary from that of guy B. Similarly, if I ask you to collect all beautiful flowers present in your garden, so definitely if there are 2 or 3 people, for them the definition of beautiful is different, so the collection will vary. But if I ask you to collect all those students present in your class whose height is above 150 centimeter, now when I ask you to do the collection of all those students whose height is above 150 centimeter, then whether it's guy A or guy B or guy C, they know one thing, that I have to do the collection of those students whose height is more than 150 centimeter. So when guy A has been given a task to do the collection, what will he do? He will start doing the collection, and he'll collect all those students whose height is above 150 centimeter. Similarly, when it comes to guy B, he'll also do the same thing, and guy C, he'll also do the same thing. Now, we'll find one thing, that irrespective of who is doing the collection here, the number of students who have been collected by each one of these guys will definitely be same, whether it's guy A, guy B or guy C, because they were given only one task, that you have to collect those students whose height is more than 150 centimeter. So whether it's guy A, guy B or guy C, everyone will do the collection or will collect all those students whose height is above 150 centimeter. So whether it's A, B or C, the collection made by them will be exactly same and will definitely be same. Now here comes the definition of set. Whenever you are asked to do the collection, and whenever that collection is same no matter who is doing the collection, that means for every person the collection made is definitely same, then that will actually be the part of a set. That means when I ask you to do a collection of a particular thing, then whether it's A, B, C or D, the collection in all those cases is similar no matter who is doing the collection. That means definitely that collection is same, similar, absolutely same. Then that falls under the category of set. That falls under the category of set. Like if I ask you to collect the students whose weight is more than 60 kg, or collect those students whose height is more than 150 centimeter, definitely no matter who is collecting, the thing is that they will collect those students whose height or weight is more than this benchmark that has been set. So this is what set is. Now let's come to definition. A set is the collection of well-defined objects. Now here let me mark the two keywords that are quite important. Collection, that first of all, that there should be a collection. There should be collection of things. Third and second is well-defined. Now, well-defined means what? That means that is absolutely defined in a sense that no matter who is doing the collection, as I've already said, no matter who is doing the collection in all cases is same. This is what well-defined means. That means whatever you have been asked to collect, no matter who is collecting, the collection will definitely be same. That means, in other words, I can say that the collection that is absolutely universal, no matter who is collecting, that collection is same, right? So this is what set is. So a set is the collection of well-defined objects. There is a collection that is, no matter who is doing the collection, that collection is defined. This collection will always stay the same no matter who collects it. This is what the set is. That means suppose there is a collection, suppose this is a collection, okay. Now no matter who has made this collection or no matter whoever makes this collection will always stay the same. So this is actually what this collection is, a set. Now let me give you few examples so you will be able to understand its definition in a much better way. If I ask you that collection of all natural numbers greater than 5, now if I ask you to do this collection, now you have to determine that whether this collection is set or not. Now if I say that the collection of all natural numbers greater than 5, so suppose there is a person A, he does the collection from 6 to infinity. Whether it's B, he'll also do the collection from 6 to infinity. That means this particular collection will stay same throughout no matter who is doing the collection. So this particular collection is a set. If I ask you to set off, suppose a collection of all beautiful animals present in your garden. Now, as I said, as far as beauty is concerned, it depends from person to person. So for person A, the collection is something, and for person B, the collection is something. So this collection will vary. Now since this collection is varying, that means this collection is not well defined. The collection of A and B is not the same. It cannot, that means it might not be same, because for the thing that is beautiful for A might not be beautiful for B. So therefore, when A is doing the collection, it might vary from that of B. So wherever there is no surety, Here there is no surety that it will definitely be same. So here there is no surety that the collection of A and B will definitely be same. So it is not a set. For A collection is 1 and for B collection is different. Similarly, collection of all real numbers greater than 1 by 2. Similarly, now there is a benchmark 1 by 2, whether it's X which is collecting, Y collecting, Z collecting, the collection will stay the same. Number greater than 1 by 2, all real numbers, so it is same. That means this particular collection, no matter who is collecting, will definitely be same. We can say this thing with certainty, with complete surety, that no matter who is doing the collection will stay the same. So this is actually, this particular collection is a set. Similarly, collection of all the good looking man in your office. Same thing, for one person the definition of good looking is something, for another person the definition of good looking is something, and for a third person the collection of good looking is something. So the collection of A, B and C might not be same, because the definition of good looking varies from one person to another. So his collection might vary from the other two. So here we cannot say with complete surety that the collection is same. It will, or it might definitely vary. Similarly, collection of all newspaper present in your home but are there after July 1, 2026. So definitely you will do the collection of all those newspaper, no matter who does the collection. It will be certain, it can be said with complete surety that the collection will be same, because no matter who is collecting, they will start collecting the newspaper from 2nd July itself. So this is how set works. Now the examples that I have given, this might have definitely helped you understand the definition of set. So this is all about the definition of set. We'll meet soon with the new topic. Thank you.